Tip 1. Choose a smartwatch with large display. Seniors may have difficulty viewing small text and icons. Go for a smartwatch with a larger, bright and sharp display that makes text more prominent and easier for them to read. Larger displays are also more comfortable to navigate due to their wider touch area. Tip 2. Consider battery life. A smartwatch that needs to be charged frequently can be a hassle for seniors, especially those with mobility restrictions. Look for a smartwatch with long battery life so they only need to charge it once every few days or so. Tip 3. Consider user interface. Some smartwatches come with an overly complicated user interface that might be frustrating for seniors. Look for a smartwatch that has an intuitive user interface with sensible menus and icons. Additionally, check if the watch supports voice control commands for easier use. Tip 4. Think about health tracking features. Many smartwatches come equipped with features aimed at tracking health and physical activity, a great way for seniors to keep tabs on their health. Look for features such as step counting, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and blood pressure monitoring. Tip 5. Seek out smartwatches with fall detection. Fall detection can be particularly beneficial for senior users, alerting emergency contacts if a user has fallen and can't get up. This can provide additional peace of mind for both the user and their family. Tip 6. Consider smartwatches that include GPS. A smartwatch with GPS can help family members keep track of the senior's location in case they get lost. This can be especially useful if the senior has memory problems or takes walks regularly. Tip 7. Look for those with good speaker and microphone quality. Should the senior user wish to answer calls directly on the smartwatch, ensure the device they choose has good speaker and microphone quality for clear conversation. Tip 8. Prioritize ones with strong vibration alerts. Seniors may have a harder time hearing notifications from their smartwatch. In that case, go for watches with strong vibration motors that can notify through touch. Tip 9. Choose one with emergency SOS features. Some smartwatches have an emergency button that can dial 911 or a programmed emergency contact. This can be a lifesaver during emergencies when the senior is unable to reach their phone. Tip 10. Check the watch's comfort and adjustability. Seniors should be comfortable wearing the smartwatch throughout the day. Check if the band can be easily adjusted for comfort and if the material is soft and non-irritating to the skin. Tip 11. Look for setup assistance and customer support. The setup process could be confusing for some seniors. Opt for a brand that offers excellent customer support and assistance to help seniors get their device up and running. This saves them the frustration of figuring out technical issues by themselves.